Hey, I'm John. I'm the senior writer of OWLconnected eMag. So, 100 issues. When you think about it, it's a lot of stories that we could discuss, but I would like to talk about something that we did in issue 49. And that was a little profile on Althea Gibson, who was the first African American to win a Grand Slam title. That was the French Open in 1956, and she was the first Black woman to win either Wimbledon or the US Open. She did both in 1957.
Hey everyone, my name is Jenna and I am the assistant editor at OWL. And my favorite eMag story that we did was about the child, aka Baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. This story was super cool to read and write because I didn't know anything about Baby Yoda. I didn't know that it ate frogs, or that it can live for hundreds of years, and that it can use the Force. So I thought it was a pretty cool story.
My favorite article in OWLconnected eMag is By the People. It's about the International Day of Democracy as well as how leaders are chosen in Canada. I think it's so important to tell young people how democracy works, how the system works, and get them excited about voting in a few years. Happy 100th edition, OWLconnected.
Hi, I'm Caroline, Associate Art Director for Chickadee Magazine, and my favorite OWLconnected eMag issue was issue number 90, all about art. Anything that gets kids excited about being creative is what I love.
Hey everyone, Melissa here from OWLconnected. My favorite issue of the OWLconnected eMag is issue 85. In this issue, we give you the dirt on dirt and talk all about soil pollution. I feel like this is something we don't really hear enough about, but we really need to talk about it because we grow all of our food in soil, so we need to take care of it.
Hi, my name's Angela. I'm the publisher at Owlkids. My favorite story that we've run in the OWLconnected eMag is when Melissa had the pleasure of interviewing OG Anunoby from the Toronto Raptors. As you can tell, I'm a pretty big Raptors fan, so I was pretty excited that she got to go to their practice facility and talk to him about all his favorite things. Don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe to the eMag.
Hi readers, I'm Stevie, the designer for OWLconnected. Do you want to know which issue is my favorite? Issue 75, because I love gaming. In this issue, we talk about E3. What's E3? It's an awesome event where they show off new video games. And there were so many great games revealed in 2019, like Legend of Zelda, Link's Awakening, and Minecraft Dungeons. Which game was I most excited for? Animal Crossing New Horizons. I hope you're excited for issue 100 on July 16th, because I sure am. See you soon!